Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. Dandruff is a common condition amongst men and women and is a recurring problem for many. There are many causes why a person gets dandruff. It can range from genetic to environmental conditions, but to put it simply, when too much fungus or bacteria accumulates on some oily parts of your scalp, it results in an itchy scalp, which then turns into flakiness. The summer can worsen the condition if sweat tends to accumulate on your scalp for long periods of time, and also during winters due to dry scalp can lead to dandruff. This is when people turn towards dandruff treatment and start looking for ways to get rid of dandruff. However, instead of going for expensive products that may or may not get rid of dandruff, you could opt for dandruff treatment at home. Yes, there are various home remedies for dandruff that are simple and effective. And in order to help you out with your dandruff treatment, here are some easy home remedies to get rid of dandruff. Number 1. Neem leaves. You can definitely trust neem leaves when it comes to dandruff. Neem gives a lot of relief from the itchiness and the redness on the scalp. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties which hold back the growth of dandruff. Here is a DIY mask that you can try. Take some neem leaves and grind them in a mixer. Add a tablespoon of honey and make a thick paste. Apply the mask on your scalp and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash your hair with cold water and you will be left with a nourished scalp. Pro tip: boil neem leaves in water for 15 minutes. Keep it in a spray bottle and spray every time before you wash your hair for a more hydrated scalp. Number 2. Yogurt. Yogurt or dahi is an ingredient that works for all types of hair. It has anti-inflammatory and cooling properties which help a lot with dandruff and a dry and itchy scalp. To make a DIY mask, take half a cup of yogurt and mix it with peeled and smashed papaya. Keep it in your hair for 30 minutes and wash your hair like usual after that. This will keep dandruff in control and off your shoulders. This mask helps in cleansing the scalp and in hair growth too. Pro tip: apply this mask twice a month and watch wonders happening yourself. Number 3. Coconut oil with lemon juice. Coconut oil is stacked with properties that can help calm irritation and the hidden disease that is causing it. The counter-parasitic properties which will help clear the scalp of itchy elements and give relief. Coconut oil and lemon is a tried and tested remedy to tackle dandruff, and it smells nice too. Before showering, massage 3 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil and lemon juice into your scalp and let it sit for about an hour and shampoo normally after that. Pro tip: add a few drops of any essential oils to the coconut oil and lemon mixture for extra nourishment and fragrance. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera not only makes your hair soft and smooth but also strengthens and nourishes it from the roots. It has a cooling effect on the scalp along with antibacterial and antifungal properties which prevent dandruff and calm the itchiness. Moreover, aloe vera is rich in vitamins like A, C and E as well as minerals like calcium, zinc and magnesium. Pro tip: if you have a plant at your home, cut a branch in half and scoop out the gel from the plant. Apply it directly to your scalp and massage for 15 minutes. Leave it for another 30 minutes and wash it off with shampoo. Doing this once a month could work wonders for your hair. If you don't own a plant, you can buy aloe vera parts from the market or even use a good quality and organic store-bought gel. Number 5. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is rich in antiseptic, antifungal and antibiotic properties. This aids greatly with not just clearing out dandruff and dry skin, but also helps in getting rid of the fungus that causes it. It simultaneously also moisturizes the scalp and clears blocked pores to stop further dryness. Pro tip: add a few drops of tea tree oil to coconut oil or to olive oil and massage into your scalp. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. The slightly astringent nature of apple cider vinegar helps destroy the infection-causing microbes, hence controlling itchy scalp and dandruff. It also balances the pH value of your hair. Additionally, apple cider vinegar also removes residue or product buildup from your roots that can help with hair fall as well. Pro tip: dilute some apple cider vinegar in equal amounts of water and apply before washing your hair. Keep it for 30 minutes at least. You can add drops of honey in the mask for that extra hydration. Use twice a week for best results. Fenugreek seeds, methi. Being high in protein, fenugreek seeds aka methi are known to nourish the hair and prevent hair fall. They are also loaded with supplements that help to strengthen the hair and scalp. What's more, it repairs hair follicles and helps in hair regrowth. Pro tip: here is a mask made with fenugreek seeds that you can try. Soak 1 cup of fenugreek seeds overnight, grind the seeds into a paste, add an egg yolk to the paste and mix it well. Massage the mixture on your scalp, let it dry for 30 minutes, then shampoo your hair. Number 8. Salt. Salt can absorb excess oil on your scalp, making it itchy and irritable. Oily scalp is also the reason for pimples on the forehead, and hence it's best to treat dandruff at home as quick as possible. Just add a pinch of salt to your usual shampoo and apply on your hair. Massage it gently in circular motions all over your scalp and exfoliate. Leave it for a minute or two and wash with lukewarm water. Number 9. Baking soda. Wet your hair, then put some baking soda on your scalp. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse it out. Number 10. Olive oil. Rub several drops of olive oil into your scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap, then sleep on it. In the morning, shampoo your hair. Apart from these quick home remedies to treat dandruff at home, there are other certain tips that can prove beneficial in reducing fleckiness and dryness of the scalp. Try to avoid eating too much sugar, fats and carbs. Avoid using styling tools too often, as any kind of artificial heat can cause irreparable damage and precipitate dandruff. Don't scratch your scalp often. Shampoo your hair 2 to 3 times a week to loosen the dead skin from the scalp. Brush your hair often to improve blood circulation in the scalp. Hope you find this video helpful. It is recommended to practice a proper routine for your hair care to improve your hair quality. Therefore, please watch my video on DIY homemade shampoo, conditioner and serum. I will give the links in the description box below as well. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.